Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. I am Jello Villamor. I am the first presenter of this group. Our topic is all about online communities and online resources. And my assigned topic is online communities. Online communities are groups of people who connect and interact online around shared interests, goals, or challenges. They offer a platform for sharing knowledge, learning from each other, building networks, and engaging in discussions without physical meeting. So online communities offers numerous advantages for both individuals and organizations. For individuals, they provide a opportunity for learning, support, and a sense of belonging. For organization, they offer valuable avenues for customers' engagement, feedback gatherings, and brand building. Types of online communities. The diversity of online communities is vast. Some examples include social media group. Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit host numerous groups centered around shared interests and profession. These are accessible but offer limited control over privacy and moderation. We all know naman kung ano ang social media kasi lahat tayo can easily access social media like Facebook and Instagram. But this kind of platform offered limited control over privacy kasi nga mas madaling kumalat ang mga fake news at ang mga masasamang gawain. The next one is private online communities. Platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks provide dedicated spaces with enhanced privacy, moderation, and monetization options. Private online communities provide a safety offer supportive and engaging environment for both individuals seeking connection and organization looking to build stronger relationship with their audience. The increased control over privacy and moderation foster trust and encourages deeper interaction. Next is forums and discussion boards. Websites like Vanilla Forums facilitate asynchronous discussion, often categorized for easier navigation. Forums and discussion boards, their importance stems from their ability to foster active learning, collaboration, and communication beyond the traditional classroom setting. Like for example, an online class, nakakapag-discuss pa rin yung instructor even through online na lang. Next, gaming communities. Online games often have built-in communities for interaction and collaboration. We all know naman what is online games are, right? Through online games, nakakapag-socialize tayo sa ibang tao, we can share experience, and we can also enhance our gaming skills. The last one is brand communities. Companies build communities around their products or services to foster customer loyalty and engagement. So brand companies like Shopee, Temu, and etc. As buyer, through online, mas madali na lang sa atin na mag-shopping. One click lang, naka-order ka na. And for sellers naman is di na nila kailangang i-display ang mga products nila sa labas para lang makita ng mga tao. By one click ng camera then post sa mga brand platforms, possible na mauubos talaga ang mga products na binibenta nila.
Good day, sir. Good day, class. I am Sharon Julie, and I am the second reporter of this group. I will be continuing the report of Ms. Jilu, which is the online resources. So, online resources, on the other hand, are the information and materials available online, such as website, document, and software that provides useful data, education, or support. So, we have 5 types of online resources. So the first one is the database. The database, these organized collections of information like this found in academic libraries, provide access to scholarly articles, books, and other resources. So a database is an organized collections of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system or the DBMS. For example, a simple database could store information about customers for a business. Each customer will have a record containing fields like customer ID, name, address, and phone number. The DBMS would allow the business to easily search, add, update, and delete customer information. So the second one is we have educational libraries. Digital repositories of Congress offer access to digitized books, journal, and other materials. So, educational libraries, these are libraries specifically designed to support the educational needs of students and faculty. They provide access to books, journals, database, and other resources relevant to the curriculum and research activities of an educational institution. So, for example, the library at the university offering resources for various subjects and research. So, the third one is educational platform. Websites such as Khan Academy and Coursera provide free or low-cost educational course and resources across various subjects. So, educational platform, a digital environment designed to facilitate teaching and learning. These platforms can offer various tools such as course management system, video conferencing, assessment tools, and learning resources. So, for example, Coursera offering online courses for universities and organizations worldwide. So, the fourth one is news and information websites. So, reputable news organizations and informational websites provide up-to-date news analysis, in-depth articles in a wide range of topics. So, news and information website, a website dedicated to providing news, information, and analysis on various topics. These sites can cover current events, specific industry, or particular areas of interest. So, for example, the New York Times providing news and information on a wide range of topics. So, the last one is ebooks and e-journals. So, many books and journals are now available in digital formats, offering convenient access and search functionality. So, ebooks and e-journals, digital versions of book and academic journals respectively. They offer convenient access to a vast amount of information and often available through online libraries and platforms. So, for example, an e-book versions of textbooks available through our university online library system. So, that's all for my report, and thank you.